Looking for the perfect summer escape? Summer cruises to the Caribbean offer lower prices, fewer crowds, and great weather. More ships sailing year-round means more competition, leading to more savings for consumers. Also, most Caribbean islands see less tourists in the summer than in the winter high season. Cruise lines use advanced weather tracking and flexible routing to steer clear of storms, so your vacation stays on course. Plus, hurricane season often means smaller crowds and bigger savings. AAA members can get access to exclusive discounts, onboard credits, cabin upgrades, and expert travel planning from AAA travel agents. Our agents can help you find the best deals, all while building a trip tailored to you and your budget. From member-only perks to expert planning, AAA can help ensure your summer cruise is nothing but smooth sailing from start to finish. Visit our website to learn more.